Hey guys, today we can see yung tinatawag nila na Santa Claus Rally dahil Christmas. And gusto ko lang din kayo batiin guys na Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, no? So sana okay yung araw nyo ngayon. Everyone, hope you bless this day, no? So stay healthy and safe, everyone. So today guys, siguro a quick discussion lang tayo dito kasi yung Santa Claus Rally, normally nangyayari talaga to during holidays, no? Christmas. So dito guys, we can see a move. This is 5 minutes time frame. Maybe I'll update this to 15 minutes, no? Para mas ma-appreciate natin yung price action. So 15 minutes time frame. Wala tayong setup kanina kasi nakapahinga din tayo, pero explain ko na lang siguro yung Santa Claus Rally dito. Normally guys, no, if ever na may mga ganyang event, price action as well as the stocks crypto could potentially move sa upside, no? And we can see that today. And pag-uusapan natin yan as well as itong campaign ni Move. So yun, bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? Yun nga, we have here na open positions, ayan, and meron nga tayo dito nakita na pagtaas ng presyo, no? So from this move going here, that's almost 6% din guys, no? Ayan, so ngayon, ang isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito is that yung entry, kasi it's very challenging din na habulin yung price action or sabayan ito if i-contest yung galaw niya. Ang isa sa tinitingnan ko dito guys is yung resistance, no? So as we can see, tumama ba siya dun sa resistance? Ayan, tumama siya. That's why I have some setups dito. And itong setups ko na ito ay meron ng adjusted SL in case man na bumalik yung price action within this area. Official link na ito guys ay lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. Itong application na ginagamit natin, pwede sa cellphone. Makikita nyo yung spark lines, makikita nyo yung asset growth, decrease, no? Again, yung trading is very risky if you don't understand, and does not guarantee, no? Ang update natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito. We have some trades dito na ginawa for the past couple of days, and kahit paano, meron tayong profits dito sa position history. Meron tayong negative, pero majority ng ating close positions dito ay mga profits guys, no? Yan. So right now, yun, isa sa mga kailangan ng crypto is that sa trading is yung experience psychology as well as yung risk management, no? So ngayon, ayan, titingnan na lang natin to. Isa siguro sa mga take profit area ko dito is that itong VWAP support na ito and yung dating resistance na potentially magiging support, no? So tingnan natin. But for now guys, let's go here sa campaign na ito. Ayan, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito yung official link. You can get a share dito, price pool nung Move token, no? Ito. So you can join now. Ayan. And andito naman yung pinaka-task or details pa. Lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung official link, no? So yun, back in here guys, we can see some potential retracement siguro as of now, but Santa Claus Rally is normally positive move or positive for the price action, and kagaya nga nang na-mention natin, risk management is very important pa rin. Maybe maraming mga sumabay dito because the price action almost hit 100k, but we should cross-validate, no, backtest or look for the resistance, no, kung saan yung may supply zone na potentially take profit ng mga nakabili dito. So sa mga nakapag entry dito, like nakapag entry 93 territory, congrats. Tapos nakapag take profit dito because we can see a resistance, a potential selling opportunity for those who accumulate dito sa area na to, no? So yun, that's a quick update guys. Pwede nyo puntahan itong campaign na ito and you can win dito ng Move token for free guys, no? So yun lang, and hope this video helps. Happy holidays ulit, and kung hindi nyo pa palagay sa papanood yung video natin using cellphone gamit itong application ito, lalay ko na lang sa screen. Happy holidays ulit, and that's it for today guys. Peace out, bye for now.